How many staff are needed for an automatic bike wash? Let's face it, if you have ever run or even visited a motorbike workshop, you know the real struggle is not just water, soap, or equipment. It's people, staffing, finding reliable workers, training them, paying them, and keeping them motivated. In many countries today, labor costs are rising fast. Skilled workers are harder to find, and even if you manage to hire enough staff, managing them every single day becomes another full-time job. Now here is the burning question. How many staff do you actually need if you want to run an automatic bike wash business? It is still the same as traditional hand wash staff, or the automation finally solved that staffing nightmare. Let's break it down. A traditional hand wash staff might need 5 to 7 people on a busy day. 2 people spraying water, 2 people scrubbing, 1 handling soap and chemical, 1 drying, and maybe another for customer service. That's a lot of people. And every person means weight, mistake, inconsistency, and yes, human fatigue. Now compare that to the Go&Go automatic bike wash machine. This system is engineered to minimize labor. The machine does the heavy lifting, high-pressure nozzles blast away the dirt. Side and bottom brush scrub the mud, and the automatic form system ensures full coverage. What's left for your staff? Just grinding the bike in, maybe a quick manual rinse or special spark, and drying if you want a polished finish. That is. So instead of 5 to 7 people, you are looking at just 1 to 2 staff members to manage the entire operation. 1 to handle customers and payment, 1 to operate the machine, and maybe assist with drying. In some shops, even a single staff member can run the whole process during normal hours. Think about what that means for your cost. Let's put number to it. Imagine labor in your country costs $500 per month per worker. With the traditional setup of 6 staff, that's $3,000 every single month just for salaries. Now cut that down to 2 people. That is only $1,000 per month. You are saving $2,000 every month and $24,000 a year just by switching to automation. And it's not just about saving money, it's about consistency. Human workers get tired, they miss the bus, they argue, they quit suddenly, and they stall a blade. A machine is consistent, it doesn't complain, it does not need holiday, and does not call in sick. That's reliability builds your brand reputation. Customers know they will always get the same high quality wash, whether it is Monday morning or Saturday afternoon. Another huge advantage, scaling your business. With fewer staff to manage, opening a second or third location becomes so much easier. You don't have to worry about hiring dozens of people or spending weeks training them. With Go&Go, your operations stay lean, simple, and profitable. That is how some of our partners scale quickly in competitive markets. Think about customer satisfaction too. No long waits for staff to finish one bite before starting another. The machine washes a bite in 2 minutes for city dirt and 4 minutes for muddy condition. Faster turnover means shorter queue, more happy customer and repeat business. And we all know happy customers bring friends, families, and free marketing. So back to the original question, how many staff do you really need for an automatic bike wash? The answer is simple, far fewer than you have ever thought about possible. With the Go&Go automatic bike wash machine, you can run a professional, high-volume shop with just 1 or 2 people. That means lower cost, higher profits, less stress, and a business that's easier to manage and grow. If you are serious about starting or upgrading your bike wash business, stop worrying about staffing problems. Stop losing money to high wage, training, and turnover. and start investing in a system that saves your time, money, and energy while giving your customer the fast professional wash they deserve. Click the link below to see how Go&Go automatic bike wash machine in action and discover how easy it is to run a profitable business with minimal staff. Why fine with the label heading when you can let automation do the work for you? The filter of bike washing is here and it's waiting for you.